guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AmazingBeautyHair here. For all of my new subscribers, welcome. For all of my old subscribers, welcome back to your gang. So you guys, I'm super excited to come and give you guys some tea. Okay, right now I am currently wearing clip-ins. This is my very first time wearing clip-ins, and to be completely honest, I absolutely love clip-ins. The clip-ins that I am wearing are from Amazing Beauty. I absolutely love these. You can find these off of AliExpress. They do also have a direct website, and I will put everything down below. What comes inside of the box is the clip-ins. I got 18 inches of the silky straight jet black clip-ins, and I think it came with 7 clip-ins. They also provide you with a really cute and sturdy clip so that you can clip your hair up while you're putting them in. They do give you some extra little clip-ins just in case some of them come out. You can sew them back in. And then they provide you with a comb that says Amazing Beauty, and all of these extra products that they give you are actually really great quality. So you guys, I absolutely love this hair. First of all, it's very lightweight. It's not too heavy, which is really great because with clip-ins you are blending them in with your real hair, and you don't want the weave to be too overpowering for your real hair. I'm actually going to take them out and put them back in just so you guys can see kind of how it works, because it's really just that easy. If you guys want to check out these products, you can definitely hit the link down below in the description box. That way you can purchase some of these clip-ins as well. So this is how my hair look without clip-ins. This is just hair that's been blow dried and straightened. It's actually kind of old just because I've been wearing these clip-ins for maybe a week now. I wanted to make sure that I like them before telling you guys to go and purchase them. These are the clip-ins here. They look just like this. They have little clips on them. This has 3 clips. Some of them have 4, some of them have 2. And yeah. Now I probably would recommend getting 2 packs of these, 2 packs of the clip-ins, just because they only come with 7. And it just depends on how you like to wear your hair. If you like to wear your hair really full, then these probably won't be enough. But if you like to wear your hair more natural, then 1 box is enough. But I wish that I had gotten 2 boxes because I don't know, I just want to be a little bit thicker. So you want to start from the back. You want to start with just parting your hair in the back and leaving a little bit of hair out back here. So I just do like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect just because nobody's gonna see it anyway. I'm gonna take one of my clip-ins that has 3, just because it's only going on the back row back here. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So you take your clip that has 3, and with the hair that's down in the back here, you're just going to line it up, and you're just going to clip them in like so. Got 1 in. You guys, these are so freaking easy. And you're just going to do the exact same thing to your entire head. So you just take another thin piece and let it down. Like I said, this does not have to be perfect because nobody's gonna see it. So for this row, I'm gonna use another one that has 3 clips. Okay, so now that we're moving up higher, you want to use your clips with 4, because we're gonna try to like go all the way around like that. We're getting closer to the top, and right now I have 4 clip-ins left. Mind you, you do want to leave some for you to put here in the front, so just be mindful of that. Alrighty, so now for the piece with the 4. You're going to do the exact same thing that you've been doing, just clipping it right on in. Now we're getting closer to the top. So I'm going to let everything down, because now we're just going to kind of fill them in and throughout the front. Okay, so I do have 4 of the 2 pieces left, and I'm going to start putting those towards the front of my hair. I'm going to put one more up here in the front so that the front of my hair can be kind of full. But you don't want to put it too close to the front, because then you'll be able to see your trim. Take another 2 piece, like that, and you do the exact same thing. Look at that. It looks so good. And this is my last one. Just going to line it up with everything else. And you guys, there you have it. You've seen it here first. Clip-ins are in, and now you can style them however you want. If you want to do a ponytail, you can do a ponytail. If you want to wear them down, you can. Just based off however you're feeling for the day. So I do hope this video was helpful for you guys. I know that it was very quick, but it's really super quick. Like, it doesn't take you long at all to do this hairstyle. So if you would like to get this exact same look, like I said earlier, all of the links will be down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if it was helpful. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.